In this video, I'm going to show you how to send audio files on Instagram, including pre-recorded audio files. So let's get started. Click on Instagram and then go to message where you message people. And then let's go to here. Now, the straightforward way is you just click record and you record your audio. I think everybody knows that. You just click here and then you just click send. But for pre-recorded audio files, so I have this audio MP3 I want to send to someone. So
It's from July 21st,
this audio I want to send it. So to send it, you have to go here, go to your browser, click audio to video converter. Now, not every website will work. Like I realized when I converted using this website on top, it didn't work for me, but this one worked for me, so I'm going to click on it here, then click convert audio. Okay, and then I'm going to wait for it, then upload file, click on the files, and then locate your audio file. I'm gonna click here, and then I'm going to click convert to video, MP4, convert, and then download file. And then you can see here, I'm going to open it.
The New York Times from July 21st.
You can see how it's still like it is still an audio. It's just gave it a background. And now I'm going to Instagram, and then I'm going to click on this icon, image icon. Then you can see it right here. Now just send it, send, and just like that,
the New York Times from July 21st.
I was able to send pre-recorded audio file on Instagram. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.